Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs some serious features into a compact, gray body, measuring just 3.3 by 2.9 by 6.1 inches when folded up. This is a 3-axis drone designed to offer a robust flying experience. One of the standout features is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. This drone boasts 540-degree obstacle avoidance, meaning it's constantly scanning its surroundings to help prevent collisions from almost every angle. This intelligent system is a real confidence booster, especially when navigating in areas with potential unexpected barriers. It's designed to keep the drone safe and the pilot worry-free. For those looking to fly further, the extended 6 kilometers image transmission range is impressive. It promises a seamless flying experience, delivering high-quality images back to the controller over a significant distance. This long-range capability, paired with what's described as a superior lens, allows for exploring vast landscapes and capturing distant shots without losing connection or image clarity. Flight duration is always key, and this drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 28 minutes. This extended period in the air means more time for capturing photos and videos and less time spent waiting for batteries to recharge. It allows pilots to truly explore and get the shots they want without feeling rushed. Controlling the drone is made easy with a user-friendly Mode 2 controller. It features a built-in lithium battery and is designed to be intuitive and responsive, catering to both beginners just starting out and more experienced pilots. The controls are straightforward, making it accessible for a wide range of users. On the camera front, while the drone is marketed with 4K UHD in its description, the specifications list a video capture resolution of 1080p and an effective still resolution of 12 megapixels. The 3-axis gimbal is crucial here, working to keep the camera stable and footage smooth, even during dynamic movements. This setup is capable of capturing clear video and detailed photos. Overall, this drone positions itself as a feature-rich option. With its advanced 540-degree obstacle avoidance, long 6 kilometers transmission range, solid 28-minute flight time, and user-friendly controls, it seems well-equipped for various flying scenarios. It's also noted as being beginner-friendly and app-controlled, adding to its accessibility. The compact size when folded makes it easy to transport, ready for your next aerial adventure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.